Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to email customers on Gumroad. First, open the Gumroad website in your browser and sign in to your account. After logging in, click on the dashboard button at the top right corner. Now go to the email section from the left sidebar. From here, click on the new email button at the top right corner. Inside the email editor, you can choose who you want to send the email to. You can email all customers, buyers of a specific product, or filtered customer segments based on purchase date or other criteria. Next, enter a subject line for your email. Try to keep it clear and engaging. For example, you can announce a product update, discount, new release, or important information. Then, write your message in the email body. You can add text, links, images, videos, download links, discount codes, or promotional content directly inside the editor. You can also attach files or products if needed. Once your email is ready, click Preview to see how it will look for customers. If everything looks good, click Publish Now to send it immediately. You can also schedule the email for a future date and time using the scheduling option. And that's how to email customers on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.